Hi, I'm Beth with the University of Florida Escambia County Extension, and we are really enjoying this nice fall weather here in the garden. And it's time to think about adding some herbs to our vegetable planting so we can add some enhancement to some of our dishes. One of the easiest ones to grow is cilantro. It loves our winter condition, will make it through till spring, and even if you choose one like slow bolt that will tolerate a little more heat, it'll be slower to form those flowers as we warm up next year. Now, cilantro is really an easy herb. We can start it from seed, like I have here. It really grows well in a wide variety of soils, in a container, a raised bed, or directly in the garden. And so all I need to do is make a little hole, put my seed in, and then cover that up. And then I put my marker in so I know where it's going to be. You can see here a couple of weeks ago I started some seeds, and I have a few transplants that are already coming up. As soon as there's enough leaves here, we can start harvesting these to use in a dish we like. Now, I talked with Dorothy Lee about some options for using cilantro, and if you're going to use fresh leaves in cooking, you want to make sure you add those at the end of the cooking process. The heat is really going to destroy the flavor of that. If you're going to use them fresh, chop them up, mix them into something like a guacamole, a hummus, a red bean and rice dish, or whatever you like, and that's going to add some interesting flavor. Now, one thing about the leaves, they do kind of have a musky flavor. That's not very appealing to some people, but a lot of times you'll find this in many different dishes that we enjoy. Now, the interesting thing about cilantro is when it does flower, we can actually collect those seeds as they mature. We often call that coriander, and that can add kind of a citrusy tang to different foods. So we can add that in a soup, some other type bean dishes, and really kind of enhance that, or even some fruit salads with that citrusy flavor. So if you're going to go to the store, you may want to pick up a package of cilantro or pick up a transplant. Go ahead and put that in the garden now, and you'll be amazed at how well it really does in our winter temperatures. For more information or more about growing herbs, contact your local county extension office.